What's up, guys? You're probably wondering, there's new vacuums. I know it's late at night. For you, I don't know. But, yeah, I got these out of the dumpster just for a few seconds ago. These two. This one is one of my favorites. This'll clean me. And we are gonna run into it's a wide path. Was a brush off there. And also here we got is the classic Hoover twin chamber. Does have attachment inside. Pretty cool. I mean, these both have stretch hoses. That one has a stretch hose, this one has a stretch hose. And whoever had these, they not care less about them. Because they're all wrapped up. I guess they didn't care. But whenever I find the original owner, I'll get to know the full story. But I guess we'll run them up. And here's my other vacuum over here. Still have the pistol here. And these two. But yeah, I'll go ahead and start with this one. Then after that one, then I'll start with this one. So, just give me just a few seconds now. Go ahead and power them up. Okay, so I got this one plugged up. It was a really tight ass knot. And YouTube is gonna threaten to, saying you're cussing, all you know. But anyways, enough chit chatting. Let's go get this thing running. The headlight works. This one sounds like it's a little bit clogged or something. Well, it does have a little tape right there. But why is that? Expecting us all hoses. Check the suction here, shall we? Great suction. This is my actually first time owning a Queenview. So I'll go ahead and plug this one and I'll get this Hoover running. Okay guys, so I got the Hoover hooked in, and let's see what this thing can do. Well, there's a problem with, doesn't want to stand up. Let's go ahead and run this thing. That actually stinks like a freaking wet dog or a dead cat. Ugh. That stinks pretty darn bad. It smells like a dead cat. Ugh. It's probably where they threw this one away. And all of a sudden this one had no problems. So I'll use that instead of time. But I still have old friend Bissell here, just hanging out with his 2 Bissell friends here. But I guess I'm gonna cut out this video. I got to go to bed. Well, not really. But I have to edit this. Then I'm gonna probably go to bed. Bye.